Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are unboxing my September Simply Gilded sub box. It is called September Soiree, and it's really pretty. So here's the journaling card that comes on top, and we've got more confetti. So I'm gonna get everything out of here and then we'll look at it. We've got our journaling card. Check out that peacock, is that not cool? And this is gold foil. And then we've got our pen. It matches perfectly. And we've got a whole box of washi. Look how pretty this box is. Like, I need to think of something to do with these boxes because they're gorgeous. But I don't store my washi in boxes. Except that Christmas set, because that's like huge and, you know, themed. So okay, so this is the washi in the box. So we've got this line floral, and this is a stack of 3 different washis. We can get them to focus. And this one is blue with like fountains and gold accents and the 2 lines. Oops. And I think that's a peacock. Pretty sure that's a peacock out there. Now, this is one of those die cut heart scallop washi things she's been doing lately. They're a pain in the neck to cut, let me tell you. But this is like a really pretty blue foil, so we're gonna have to give it a go. And this is the larger bow washi with the same floral from the card in the background. And then this is all peacock feathers with gold accents. And then this one, I don't know if it didn't fit in the box or if there's something wrong with it. There was a reason there was an extra one. She told us in the live, and I cannot remember. So if I figure it out, I'll pop it on the screen. But it's that same blue floral and this like really like flourishy thing. I don't know what it is. It appears on a lot of stuff. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rolls of washi. So we've got 5, 10, and 15 millimeter. Well, this is way smaller than 5, I think, but I'm not sure. Did she tell me on the box? No. Alright, so we are going to swatch this. I have the book, but first we're going to look at the sticker kit. So I'm going to move the book. Well, I'm going to move the washi. Okay. Oh, come on. Why does she keep making me rip the package? Like, it's just too tight. Okay, so we've got date dots and icons in gold foil on that pretty blue background. Ooh. Ooh. Clear stickers. They're like clear, but they're like frosted. That's cool. With the gold accents. Those are really nice. It's on a good backing too. Okay. Alright, so now we've got our sticker kit. I really love these colors. So we've got the boxes and then the small strips at the bottom. And we've got the headers and the boxes and the ribbons, flags, words, it's late, and the decorative boxes down here, and these are all individual strips. And then we've got more flags and more flags and more flags and little flags with icons. You've got bows, you've got hearts with icons, and then you've got some deco stickers. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of days of the week and 2 to-dos, and a whole bunch of little headers over here, and then 4 boxes, including the one that says gratitude. Everything is in gold foil. So this is really pretty, and I really like this. That's cool. So I very much like the things in this box. I am terrified that I am at some point not going to like the things in the box, and I'm going to like skip or pause or cancel that it is you do on their site because I don't remember what the options are. But so far so good, except for that July one. That was horrific. Okay, so I'm going to take all the plastic off of these, and then I will swatch them, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here is our stack of washi from this sub box. And here they are, swatched out. That cutout one is really hard to cut. Like, I tried to tear it, it didn't go well. I tried to cut it with the scissors. Like, here's all my tools of doom. Didn't work very well, so careful with those. And that's it. So we've got the stack of washi, It's Cute box, pen, journaling card, and sticker kit. And that is the September Soiree sub box from Simply Gilded. Again, words. I'm tired. It's late. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.